Hey y'all, it's your girl Lanell and I'm back with another one. Today I'm going to be installing a U-part wig that Luvme Hair sent me. So if y'all want to see how I go from this to this, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so the wig I'm using is from Luvme Hair, as y'all can see from the title. And they sent me some flat-ons I'm going to be using today as well. Now, I probably won't need the flat on it, but I probably am. I probably straighten the wig too, I don't know yet. But let me plug these up real quick so they can be getting hot while I'm putting it on. They sent me this U-part wig. I think it's a 22 inch. It's either 20 or 22 inch, but I'm gonna link the exact link to the wig down below if y'all wanna go get one. But y'all, this is the wig. It's nice and soft. Smell good as always. It come with 3 clips around the part, and then it got one in the back. Got these straps. So yeah, but let me cut this little piece off. Alright, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna be straightening this wig because I don't like this body wave look. Like, it's not ugly, but I just don't like it. Yo, I've been using this the Wig Trap hair growth oil. It looks like this. And yeah, her Instagram is at Wig Trap, and her personal Instagram is at Dope Views. That's the Snapchat right there. And she sent me this oil, and I really like it, so go make sure y'all shop with her. Y'all see them edges getting thick too? Y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see how moisturized that scalp look? Yeah, go shop with her. Tell her I sent you, period. And she black owned, so yeah, support black owned businesses because Black Lives Matter, period. Back into the video. Now I'm about to section off my middle part. Let me comb all this back first. Oh, let me fix my mirror, cause I got cute. All right, that's good. Now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna comb it all back first so I can measure out how much space I need. So, see, put this right here. Boom, boom. All right, so I'm gonna need like this much space. All right, because last time I put the bob U-part wig on they sent me, and that thing was hurting because I didn't make enough space. I didn't leave enough hair out. But yeah. Now I'm just going to part it down the middle, just like this. Part it straight down. I think it was probably this far back. I'm not sure if it was this far back, but it looked like it was this far back. Now I'm going to part it. On this side, it came like right here, so. Comb this side down. Just like that. Boom. Now I'm gonna part it like this. Go this way. Like this, and then part this the same. Just like that. Easy, right? I gotta make this a little smaller. Just like that. Now measure it again to make sure there's enough space. All right, that's enough space. Now I'm not putting no braids in my hair just because I'm taking this right off because I gotta do a promo for other wig companies, so I gotta take this right off. And I don't really wear U-parts a lot, so if I would braid it with my hair out, I would have to braid it all over again with this part in. So, well, yeah, I'm going for that, like, you know, I wanted to look like my real hair, if y'all get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna leave my little edges out so I can like put it behind my ear, stuff like that. Just like this. Boom, boom. Take a scrunchie, put it back, just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Yep. So you're gonna put a ponytail in. Oh, look at my hang time. Period. I'm ready to take one of these bobby pins that came with the package or with the wig. They send these with every order. A wax stick, and more stuff too. A clip. Y'all know, I did an unboxing for y'all. But I'm gonna clip it up like this. I'm just gonna put like 2 clips. One going this way, one going that way. Just like that. So we're just gonna clip it up in the back, clip it up, you know. This is a put on you. This is like a wig you put on every day. This is not like a wig you sleep in and all that. That's why I'm not doing all that extra stuff like braiding it. Pin it right here and close it. I'm gonna do this one the same way. Alright. Oh shit. Pull some of the ponytail. Alright. Now I gotta pull this side over. And pull this side up. And we gonna pin it right here. Just like the other one. Boom. Sew in 5 seconds. All right, y'all see that? Now, you want to take this out. Where's my comb? Now, taking my Love Me flat on. Oh, this thing get hot too. That little flat on get hotty hot. You hear me? Anyway, we flat on the leave out now, y'all. So I'm gonna come back when my leave out is all flat on. All right, y'all. So I just flat on the leave out and all that. It's nice and flat. Now I'm using some 24-hour edge tamer. Just a little teeny bit. Just to make my leave out stay laying down. I'm not doing my edges because I want the natural look today. That's what I'm going for. I want natural edges, you know, no edge control on them, none of that. All right. Some heat protector. Whoa. I don't really want body waves, so I'm about to straighten it. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to straighten this real quick, real fast. So this is gonna be a speed through with a voiceover while I'm flat ironing it. Cause I know y'all don't want to just watch me sit here and flat on some hair. I could tell y'all something, but I don't really know what I should tell y'all because there's really nothing to tell y'all. Yeah, it's really not. Just love me flat on. Okay, love me. Look at that little flat on. Alright, it's not hot enough. I'm not gonna catch y'all. Cause it's hot, but I'm impatient. I need my stuff on 400 degrees. So I need a couple passes, and this not even on. Oh my god, y'all. Goddamn flat ons was not on the whole time. While I'm straightening my hair, I'm gonna put this on my edges because I want them to, like, you know, lay down. And this is a Love Me Hair Edge Wrap, period. Go make sure y'all shop with them for all your hair needs because they got it, period. I don't even have baby hairs. I have adult hairs. Like, I'm trying to brush my fucking baby hairs down. They too long and shit. Who complains about having edges that's too long? Me. Cause no, I want my baby hairs to be baby hairs and not adult hairs. But anyway, y'all, we gonna tie this down just like this. Wow, this just fell. We only doing a couple passes. All right, y'all, the hair is like straightened, but it's not really like silky straight. But I'm gonna do a little touch up on it. But I'm about to untie my edges. That's what I was going for. Yeah, that right there. That right there. Yep. That's how I wanted it. Leave it up like this. Should I leave it up? Or should I put it behind my ear? Question. Good question. I don't know. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna go do some finishing touches. Press it a little bit more. And I'm gonna be back for the outro. And I'm gonna change my clothes too. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look on how I install my U-part wigs. Like I was saying. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look on how I install my U-part wigs. Don't forget this wig is from Luvme Hair. The link is gonna be down below so you can go buy one. And it came with this cute clip. I don't really want to wear the clip because I got on gold jewelry. But yeah, y'all like it? I like it. Only thing, I can't wear this a lot because my baby hairs, how they looking right now, once one drop of sweat, because when I sweat, I sweat from my head, so one drop of sweat and they gonna be bushy. That's why I can't wear my real hair out. But this is cute for, like, you know, on a day where I just want to be laid back, or I just want to wear my real hair out, or whatever, cool little hairstyle. Yeah, or like just when my hair not done, I need to go somewhere real quick, just part it, put it on, flat on it, and boom. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Lanell. And yeah, that's it. Bye, y'all.